Welcome back to Dad Life Tech. My name is Austin Hamilton, and I'm just a dad who loves tech. It's been a while, but I'm still here, YouTube. I'm back with a vengeance. I got a new studio, new lights, new everything, and we're back. Today I've got the Unifi SmartPower Strip. This thing popped up in the Unifi beta store quite some months ago, and I was really eyeing it, particularly because of the USB Type-C ports, as well as the 6 outlets you can individually control. I'm a big fan of being able to control things wirelessly over Wi-Fi, and this thing caught my eye. It's got 6 outlets, like I mentioned, as well as 6 USB Type-C ports, which are controllable all at once, which I'll explain in a little bit. But it's a nice little device. It's $50, so yeah, it's a little pricey for a surge protector, but if you need the functionality of being able to control each individual outlet remotely wherever you are, this is a great device, especially if you're already in the ecosystem, the Ubiquiti ecosystem. So $49, I bought 2 of them. I'm going to have one here at my office, and then I'll have the other one at my house for my home theater equipment. So let's dive in. So this is the box, pretty simple, par for the course for what you'd get from Ubiquiti. In the box, you've got the actual device itself. I have not adopted it yet. We'll go through the adoption and the controller here in just a minute. And then there's the back plate, which you can mount to a wall. There's 3 mounting screw holes and 2 screws. So you got to use them wisely. This you can mount on a wall. I'm going to put one underneath my desk. And then basically the device just kind of slides right on there. And it's very secure. I actually had a hard time getting it off before. So it's not going to go anywhere once you get it on there. The Ubiquiti has the light here that's white until I adopt it, and it'll go blue. But we'll go ahead and get the Unifi controller up and go through the adoption process. All right, so here is the device. Go ahead and hit adopt, and it's going to take a minute to do that. And we're online. So that took just a minute, but now you can see my network information for the device. You can see how much power it's using, as well as different settings. And we're going to spend most of our time here on the settings. And I'm using a UDM Pro. What I found is you can individually name each outlet as well as power cycle them. So if I turn off outlet 1, apply changes, you could hear it. Did you hear that? I'll go ahead and turn another one off, and then I'll turn that one on and apply. Oh, maybe I didn't get both changes in there. We'll turn that one off. So you can control each outlet individually, and you can control the USB ports all at once. I was hoping / thinking that they would be individually controllable, but for whatever reason, all 4 of the USB ports are controlled with one on-off setting, which I guess is fine. And I can show you that. So I've got a pair of AirPods here. There's no light on. And we'll go ahead and turn that on momentarily. There you go. See the green light go on. Now, one thing that I have noticed is this does not charge my Pixel 4. So my main daily driver is a Pixel 4. I have a USB-C cord here. I've tried a couple different USB Type-C cords, and it does not power this phone. I don't know what the deal is with that. Maybe it's because the phone is looking for power delivery, or it needs more wattage than what this thing is offering, but for what that's worth, it does not work on a Pixel 4. I have not extensively tested other phones or devices, but just something to note. It's probably, and I probably wouldn't have it charge my phone anyways, because I want power delivery, fast charging, and I've got a special dedicated charger for that anyways. Back over to the controller. We'll go ahead and turn everything back on here. Turn those on. There is a setting that you may notice, modem power cycle. So power cycle your modem if the internet goes down when your modem is plugged into the outlet. So I believe the intention of that would be you choose which port you have your cable modem plugged into, and then if Unifi controller realizes that your internet went out, it'll power cycle that port. So again, trying to get your internet back up for you. There isn't really many details on what happens. Like, will it do it one time? Will it keep on doing it until the internet goes up? I don't know. But again, it is a nice feature to have, I suppose, if you want it right on there. But if your internet goes out and you're off-site, you wouldn't have access to what's going on with it anyways. So again, the Unifi SmartPower Strip, I just got this in. I'm going to mount one underneath my desk here. I kind of like to just have a few USB-C chargers over here on my desk. I stick them right on the side of my desk. That's what I'm going to use these 4 ports for, to charge things like headphones, microphones, my Rode Wireless Go's. I'm not going to use my phone. I'll have my dedicated phone charger for that. I've got lights. I'm constantly needing a USB-C port, and then I also have adapters to go to Lightning or micro USB as well, which I try to avoid at all costs. But that's it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, I'd be happy to answer them. And again, this is the Unifi SmartPower Strip. Thanks for watching.